Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Clone Engine 23. Yep, day 2 for custom body armor, body gear. Yes, for your knights collection like this one. This is, yes, can you recognize the original shape? This is I already custom. I cut on the front. Yep, from this shape. Look, this is I cut hair and hair. This is very difficult, and I got this. What about this dark gray color? I got from this Lord of the Ring body armor. Yes, from this guy, and then I shape into like this. Yes, this is great because I like this type of accessory body gear, because I still want to show the torso prints. Yes, so this is great for not full body gear that covering torso. This is still I want to show the torso. Yes, what do you think guys about this custom? Yes, look at my cut. Just stay tuned on my channel. I have so many great idea info about custom. 3 my best topic about Star Wars, medieval, crusades era, and World War II. Just stay tuned. And also don't forget to visit my other channel, Asset Combat. And that's all guys. See you on my next video. Always stay safe. God bless you, and thank you for watching. Clone Engine 23 out, sir. Yes, sir.